Hello everybody, I got a package today. I'm not going to dox myself, but super excited for this. I bought this from Ted Flips on Instagram. It's a squiddy. No, I'm just kidding. Is there anything else in here? Yo, Ted Flip stickers. Yo, let's go. I think that's it. Yep. Alrighty. I'm surprised this fits in the box. That might be a little hint. What is this? What is this? Bag. This is a Kuno. This was modded by Broken Blade EDC, I believe. It's got drooling on the bite side. It's a little gross in there, but yeah, this thing looks insane. I will probably have it remodded, but I got to try this at Blade Show East, and they are very fun. Let me clean off. Yeah, they are very fun. They're very light. They're like 3.2 ounces. Nope. Okay, whatever. Jeez, I can't flip. This is my first time flipping today. It's a little scuffed, but yeah, so this is very unique because it is a full tie trainer, as you can tell by the anode blade. It's also pinless. How does that contact area look? It's pretty beefy. You can see it's rubbing off where it contacts. Yeah. So with it being so light, it is very floaty, especially when you do like a helix aerial. Oh, geez, I can't flip today. It's also very like skeletonized. Okay. Is this chinwich or sandwich? What would that count as? Because it doesn't use spacers. So like, it's like chinwich, but it's got giant speed channels almost. And the fronts are very thin also. Oh, yeah, so I think I'm probably gonna get this remodded. I'm planning on Blano outside, gold inside, and then like a blue to purple fade on the blade is my thoughts. Double scissor? Nope. Let's see if I can hit a double scissor. Nice. I've been getting a lot better at those. It doesn't honestly feel like I think it's 3.2 ounces. I could be wrong. It doesn't feel like stupid light like you'd imagine. Oh, let's go. I didn't think I'd hit that. Because it carries a lot of momentum. There's a decent... Oh, these... I just realized. Oh, wait, no, they're not. There's a decent amount. Okay, so there is screws obviously at the bottom, but there's also a decent amount of titanium down there. And it doesn't look like it has any tip weight, but like it fans pretty flat. If I can like get a good, yeah, like that. Okay. I threw that way too high on accident because it's so light. But I'm definitely gonna keep this for a bit before I send it out to get modded again. It's a shame that I'm covering up this super cool anno, but like it looks good. It's just not my favorite thing of all time. Yeah, this is a very unique Balisong. It's like the swordfish, but tie. This is also machined by Machine Wise, so, well, I say that, but Yeah, I need to clean this out and stuff. Oh, those deltoid pivots? Are those JK pivots? The deltoid pivots? Those look sick. I think that's what those are. I don't know what hardware that Kuno normally uses, if that is the original hardware. Oh. Yeah, so this thing... Did it just squeak? Was that my bed? That was interesting. Yeah, but I'm definitely going to be flipping this a lot over the next couple days. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, that should be it. Like, I should probably talk about, like, the bounce. It's pretty neutral. It's... With the blade being tie, also, this thing is, like, super long. Like, if we grab Seraph, it dwarfs the Seraph. That's hilarious. It's mainly in the handle length. Actually, it's about even. Yeah, that's hilarious how much it just absolutely dwarfs the Seraph. I do have a bigger knife than the Seraph. Let me get that out here. The Zippy Lucha. So we got Zippy Lucha, Seraph, Kuno. Kuno is longer. Yeah. 3 ginormous knives. Well, the Seraph's not, like, ginormous. It is above average. Yeah. It's pretty neutral. It's got a little handle bias. Like, you can definitely feel the momentum in the ends of the handles. I'm working on my fixed ladders. Oh, wait, I did that wrong. It's also got a slight ring to it, which is nice. Ooh. Oh my god. I can't reverse fan. Jesus. Oh, come on. That was gonna be a cool finisher. Okay, whatever. Yeah. I will probably make an update video on this. Dude, why can't I choker to ice pick? There we go. Aw, man. I'll probably make an update video on this once I get it modded again. How's the handle gap? The handle gap, because this is pinsless, the handle gap's decent. I don't know what the original handle gap looks like or if this has shrunk at all. I hope it hasn't. It does have a tang area, which is good. Yeah, that's quite dirty. And there is, like, that's a decent contact area in there. So I will definitely try and flip this a lot and see what the handle gap is like. Man, it is a shame that I'm gonna cover up this anno. I feel really bad about it. But it is kind of scratched up, so like there and at the tip. But thanks to Ted Flips for this amazing deal. Yeah, that is the Remshi Kuno. Man, I can't shortstop, bruh. Oh wow, that's quite bouncy. Yeah, I might have to tune this or just tighten it or something. The sound kind of reminds me of the Swift T, because it's also very, like, wireframey, but it's quite bouncy for pinsless. Well, I It's pinsless normally not that bouncy. My only pinsless experience was the owl, and I hated the owl. So anyway, I'm gonna stop yapping.